Landscape tutorial time. Basically, drew out a stencil, all poster board, shiny side up. What I'm doing here is I'm just setting down the stencil so I can just quick mist a little black just so I know where the land is, because I want the sun just barely peeking out, or just barely behind the landscape there. So I'm just going to use this small cap for a little stencil here. Go with it right there. I'm going to try this glow in the dark paint. Close it down. Right where I'm having issues with this paint today. And all of a sudden it wants to not work. Then it will work. Then it won't. I don't know. I just don't know. The time I want it to work, it doesn't. I don't know. Well, I might have got enough light down there. I don't know. Open one hand and shit in the other. Which one fills up quicker? Let that dry, and hopefully that does something there. Alright, we're back. It should be dry enough where I can set that down. Just going to use variation of different colors in the sky, and then below the landmark we're going to make the water there. Bunch of gunk on every single cap of these. Scrape it off. Oh, made a nice red drip on there. So I guess pull this off, and we'll do that little smear method here. Not really liking how that's turning out. I'm just going to mask the sun, spray a little more orange. Didn't do the best of jobs, but we're going to call that good. So, this bottom half here, take my little trusty straight edge I got, I'm gonna clean all the crap off of there before I get it all over the place. I just got it some of the places. Toss that down. And start with the dark blue. Step it up to the medium darkness of blue. To the lightest of blues. Then I'm going to go with a little bit of white right underneath that sun there. Highlights. Now take my fingers and just kind of smear that all in together there. Not working my best. So a little clear coat, wet that all down a little. More clear coat. Bottom is not working out for me very well. Alright. Let that dry. Then I'll go in with the stencil and finish this guy up. Back, it's dry enough to have the stencils not completely stick to it, so set those down. Just gonna take a couple of these nuts to weight down areas so the air cell doesn't blow it all up in the air and get a bunch of underspray. Top portion of the stencil. All we're doing here is splitting the sky from the water. Just going with black. Peel this guy off. And we got a little discrepancies there. Pull that off. I'll let that dry a little bit. Do some touch-ups with my black paint marker. And then I'm going to also go in and add a couple of ripples on the water there. So we'll be back in about 10 minutes after that all dries. Alrighty, we are back to do a couple touch-ups. I guess we'll just make that a little bit longer of a palm tree. Wide one. Alright, Add some ripples in the water. I'm just taking a piece of poster board. I'm going to spray the end of that white. And with that, take and just kind of make a little bit of ripples on the shoreline here. Add a little more white. Add a random one here and there. Oh, got a low bag. A lot out of control there. Whatever. Not my best work, but for a nice, easy, simple little landscape painting, I'll take that any day. Just gonna throw some clear coat on it. Nice gloss clear coat, make it shine. Seal all the paint in. And it makes it a heck of a lot easier to scratch in a signature when the paint is all wet. So just sign it down here. Alright, and there we have it. Nice simple little landscape. I used the glow-in-the-dark paint for the sun there, so you can kind of see it a little bit shining there. All in all, nice, simple, easy landscape anyone can do. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button so we can see you guys next week. New videos once a week.